Hello everyone, and welcome to this new episode of our journey through Bicep. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of functions and operators. Buckle up as we explore three essential Bicep functions that will elevate your infrastructure as code. Okay. Let's kick things off with a function that converts a string to an integer. For example, the property idle timeout 10 minutes that determines the time a resource could stay inactive. Its original type is integer, but we declare it in parameters as string. Inside the module, we'll use the function int to convert the value contained in this parameter from string to integer. And now we can assign a string value in our main file, and the function will settle the rest for us. The second function we'll hear on is filter. This function allows us to grab the items that fits a certain condition from an array. We write it with the following syntax. The X refers to the iteration. Name is the property we want to select with, and tab2 is the value. The output is an array in case we have multiple elements that fits the condition. So we set 0 to use the first element and the only one in our case. The last function we're gonna treat is getSecret, which serves to grab a secret from a key vault. The secret in our case is the virtual machine password. The parameter we use should be declared with a secured decorator. If you are not familiar with decorators, don't worry. We'll cover this aspect in the next session. The syntax is simple. The key vault name dot getSecret, and inside the brackets we put the secret name you created already inside the key vault. Those were three examples of the rich offering of Bicep functions, and you can dive deeper. Now, let's move on to operators. The example we choose for you is the conditional expression. Let's try to apply it on the location of our public IP address. Suppose that you want to let developers decide to set a location or not. We set an empty value to the parameter, and we use the function empty to check if the developer affected the value or not. Next, we put a question mark, and we put the value we want to affect if the function returns true, which is issues, for example. After the colon operator, we put the parameter itself because the function returned false, so it's not empty. This would be everything for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, leave your feedback, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.